In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a PNG as a PDF in Adobe Photoshop. If you have a PNG that you want to share, print, or archive, saving it as a PDF is a great choice because PDFs are widely compatible and can preserve quality and settings. Start by opening your PNG in Photoshop. You can double-click the file to open it if Photoshop is your default, or open Photoshop first and then load the image. Once the image is visible on your canvas, you're ready to convert it. Go to the File menu and choose Save As. This is different from Save because Save As lets you choose a new file format and avoid overwriting your original PNG. In the dialog that appears, look for the Format drop-down. From that list, select Photoshop PDF. This format creates a standard PDF while leveraging Photoshop's export controls for quality and compatibility. Give your file a clear descriptive name so you can identify the version later, and choose a destination folder you'll remember. Keeping your original PNG intact is always a good idea, so using a new name helps you maintain a clean workflow. When you're set, click Save to continue. You'll now see the Save Adobe PDF dialog box. At the top, pick a preset that matches your goal. High quality print is ideal when you need sharp output for printers or professional use, keeping more detail and less compression. Smallest file size is better for web or email, where fast sharing matters more than pixel perfect fidelity. If you're not sure, start with high quality print for print projects or smallest file size for screen viewing. You can fine tune compression next. Downsampling and JPEG quality affect file size and clarity. Higher quality means larger files but crisper images, while stronger compression trims size at the cost of detail. For color, consider whether your image is intended for print or screen. Converting to sRGB is common for web and digital viewing, while print workflows may rely on CMYK profiles provided by your printer. Embedding a color profile helps keep colors consistent across devices. If needed, you can apply security options to restrict printing or editing. Use these only if you need control over how the PDF is used. When the settings look good, click Save PDF to finish. Photoshop will export the PDF using your chosen options. That's it, your PNG is now a PDF, ready to share, print, or archive with confidence.